So let's see what's inside this box. So this is the great unboxing ceremony of my brand new PinePhone. Let's get some room here. And now let's see what we have here. Okay, some instructions and the phone itself, which I guess is postmarketos edition. So there's some plastic, yet another plastic bag. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, it's powered by Linux. Okay, so there we go. There's this brand or sign saying there should be postmarketos inside. So what is this? How is this like? Well, first of all, it's black. What else? Oh, it's another plastic. Please peel off this mask after application completed. Okay, let's not do anything just yet. And then there's another plastic bag. That's ready to open. And we can see there's a USB-C. Okay, it's an USB-C cable so that I can charge this device. And I guess there's some shade or some kind of a protection already on the screen. Yet another tool for the SIM card. And that's it. That's all there is for now. Bye.